How to fix Skype turning down volume on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here type Skype and click on it, and then click storage, clear cache, and after that click force stop. And now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem then click this one here, draw over other apps, and make sure it's disabled. Maybe you find it like that, then just disable it and then go to right system settings and make sure also it's disabled, and that's it. Then just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem then all you need to do just go to Play Store and update your Skype, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.